Yeah, this is a serious stuff. No wonder why doctors and people are not talking about the results and what will be the consequences of it.
4 bottles of my blood. I'm just pissed.
Hello guys,
What's up?
So today we are going for our anti-scan.
And we are going for shopping.
Yeah, we are going for shopping as well.
After 8 months, we haven't gone anywhere, no shopping, nothing. So I'm very excited.
Yeah, you are trying for the shopping, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and also we are gonna know what is anti-scan and what we have to do with that. What's the output of that? We don't know that part as well. Okay, let's go. So we have booked the appointment. I think it won't take much time. We'll be free in no time. Then we'll. Damn you, Corona. Whatever.
Actually, I asked them if I can record, but they denied. They said, recording is kind of illegal.
What?
I don't know.
Illegal, they said.
Yes. So they measure each and every part of baby, like legs, arms, stomach.
You're able to see the legs and arms.
Yeah, the baby was floating, and I was able to see everything. So eyes were not visible, and in fact they measured nose also.
Nose.
Yes. You missed it.
There is some Diwali decoration prize distribution going on. Someone won. So the scan was done in no time, but now we are waiting for the doctor. It's been already 1 hour and I don't know how long we have to wait. We have been waiting outside and the doctor was actually waiting for us inside. The receptionist screw up.
You have to call, no? They are not saying if you are here or not. They are saying you are not here.
Yeah. It actually took us like around a day.
Yeah.
We'll be free in no time.
Yes.
And we have done with the complete anti-scan and everything. And we have been to doctor as well. We have consulted with that. And she was saying like with anti-scan, you need to have a double marker test.
For that, they took 4 bottles of my blood.
It wasn't 4 bottles of the blood. It was like 4 test tube.
It was, you don't know. I was feeling the pain.
It was 4 test tube, and all that test tube were not for the double marker test. She prescribed multiple tests for hemoglobin and everything. That's why they took like 4 test tubes. 4 test tubes.
Okay.
So let's go for shopping.
Yes. No, but we have to first buy Diwali sweets.
Okay, then Anand is nearby. Let's go over there. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. At the time of festivals, I think people think Corona is also on leave. Quite a trip, right?
Let's go home.
Home? You are going for shopping, right?
No, it was so crowded in Anand. I'm just pissed.
Seriously?
Yes.
You don't want to go for shopping?
No.
Okay. So we chickened out and now we are going home. So I'll explain you at home what is this anti-scan and what is this double marker test. It's a very important information. Let's go. Welcome back guys. So it's been 5 days actually. So I was thinking once I'll get the double marker report results, then only I'll record the end of this vlog. So the anti-scan is to know whether your baby is having any abnormalities, and the double marker is for the same thing. So the anti-scan will give you the surety of 95% your baby doesn't have any abnormalities, and double marker give you the 99%. Yeah, this is a serious stuff. No wonder why doctors and people are not talking about the results and what will be the consequences of it. So if there are some serious abnormalities on your child, people do consider terminating the pregnancy. So that is why Nishtha was so bummed out and she was very serious for like 3-4 days. But I'm happy to announce everything is okay and we don't have any problem. But for Nishtha, I have an idea how to cheer her up. So stick around and subscribe. I'll show you.
Up next.
First trimester, the first 3 months of your pregnancy. It is most annoying, difficult and crazy months of your pregnancy.